So until tomorrow, that'll be like in 5 seconds for you guys. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be taking a jean jacket and putting a liner in it from a t-shirt. So if you guys want to see how that turns out, then just keep watching. Okay, so I got my jacket that I had for a while, and I have my t-shirt that I've also had for a while. And I wanted to put the t-shirt on the inside of the jacket to make it a liner. And so I'm going to just pretty much make this not a t-shirt, make it material, and do the seams, I guess. So I'm gonna take the seam ripper and just rip the seams open. So it's one big piece of cloth. So just iron it on?
Yep. Don't be scared. Because it says, pre-wash all materials. Check. Place adhesive on back of material to be bonded. Paper liner should face up. Place and hold the iron on paper liner for 2 seconds. Repeat until the entire surface is bonded. So don't overdo it because you don't want to. Doing it too much actually melts the glue and makes it not sticky.
Right.
Cut to size and shape needed. So you get it all bonded and then you let it cool so get those corners really well.
So the back part is on. We are going to wait till tomorrow because it's getting pretty late and we have some other stuff we need to do tonight. And so we're going to wait to do the side parts tomorrow. And it's coming along nicely. I'm liking the result. So there's bits that are still coming up that we'll have to re-iron or sew. But that should be easy to fix. But yeah. So until tomorrow, that'll be like in 5 seconds for you guys. Okay, so it is day 2 of making my jacket, and so we're just gonna get right into it. We're just doing the sides today, and then it should be finished. There are a couple spots where we will have to sew over it, so, but my mom will probably end up doing that because I don't know how to sew like at all. So, yeah, we're just gonna get on into it. Just gonna go for it now. does it. I think that's all we can do. We got it done. My mom is going to help me just finish it up, but for the most part this video is done. It took longer than expected, but I think the result is good. There are some spots around the edges where it's coming up, but we're just gonna go over the sewing machine and just sew along the seams that already exist and make it so it stays on. So there you go. There is my jacket. That was this week's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope you guys are staying safe and washing your hands. See you guys next time.